se chystáme na výlet.
Comes the morning when I can feel that there's nothing left to be concealed. Moving on a scene so...
Až to natočíš, tak budu ožralé, prosím tě.
As I am breathing, so as I'm sad, I'll keep there's a wisdom in my flesh. I leave here believing more than I had, and there's a reason I'll be back.
Tipské plisou. Výlet máme.
On bended knee is no way to be free. Lifting up an empty cup, I ask silently. All my destinations will accept the one that's me, so I can breathe. Circles they grow and they swallow people whole. After lives they say goodnight to wives they'll never know. And a mind full of questions and a teacher in my soul. And so it goes. Don't come closer or I'll have to go. Holding me like gravity are places that pull. If ever there was someone to keep me at home, it would be you. Everyone I come across in cages they bought, they think of me and my wandering, but I'm never what they thought. Got my indignation, but I'm pure in all my thoughts. I'm alive. Wind in my hair, I feel part of everywhere. Underneath my being is a road that disappears.